जोड़ दे और उसी का नाम इंग्लिश है। और अभी मैं जहां पे एक शख्स के साथ बैठा हूं वही मंदिर है जहां पे इंग्लिश का ज्ञान बांटा जाता है। मेरे साथ एक शख्स बैठे हैं जिनका नाम है रेहान, अगर मैं सही हूं।
यस सर।
और ये अभी अंग्रेजी सीख रहे हैं ग्लोबल इंग्लिश स्पोकन सेंटर में। इज इट ट्रू?
यस सर।
वेल, so do you feel so that English is much important for you?
Yes, of course.
How?
It is important for me because I want to study further study. I want to do engineering, and for that I want to know English because
Who suggested you to come here for learning English? Because there are lots of institutions, even in Sirghati or in Gaya.
Yes, sir.
Why did you select global?
because in global there is a different quality because if I talk about the director of global Wasim Khan sir, I can't express my feeling about him like his teaching style is very awesome, very outstanding. If I talk about if anyone to learn English, if he comes, I exactly saying that I am confidently saying he can learn English in very simple way, and the teaching style of Wasim sir is very fun.
Have you ever been afraid of speaking or learning English?
No sir.
No. Before coming here, what was the level of your English?
If
And after passing a few months, now what's current level?
If I talk about my level, before coming to global, my level was like very low. But when I come to global and when I give time in global, then I really realize there is a development that develop in my English, and I know really I can speak without any fear in any podcast and in anything else.
When it comes to Sherghati, do you feel so that this is the place only where you're gonna be confident of speaking English? This is the place only where just you're gonna learn sound English? Or do you suggest some other institution where a student can build his just a language skill?
No, if I talk about Sarghati, this is the only place where you can learn English in very simple way because Wasim sir teaches in. If I talk about Wasim sir, if I talk about other institution, they teaches English and many other things about in chapter wise. But Wasim sir teaches in like with connect with daily life with fun. That's the reason why I select.
He calls a few big guns like actor, teachers, professors, doctors. So do you think this way is quite beneficial for all of you?
Yes sir.
Yes. How?
What was the question? I didn't get so.
I want to say that he calls many of doctors. He invites here
Yes sir.
for interaction with the students. He invites doctors, professors, teachers, a few actors, and big guns like big celebrities.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So do you think that it's gonna be quite beneficial for you or students like you?
Yes, of course it's beneficial for us because when they comes, they share their thoughts, then we get motivated that I want to become that, I want to become that. Really that is beneficial for all students and of course me.
Many of our students are not having a good education just because of the crisis of money. Global English Spoken Center and the director of Global English Spoken Center, Wasim Khan, has spoken lots of times.
Yes sir.
Like I offer classes in free. I offer classes for all that sort of people, those who are not able to pay money, and offer classes in free of cost. Is it only statement, and is there any reality?
About Wasim sir, yes, this is reality sir.
This is reality.
Yes sir.
Is there any just a student in your class who is having? I'm not asking the name. Who is having just classes here?
Yes, I can't say, but right now, but there is some students.
There are a few students.
There are a few students.
They are not paying, but learning English here.
Some students are they are paying, but they are paying in little amount, not sufficient upon.
Okay.
What they want to pay, they pay.
And how is the environment of Global English Spoken Center?
It's a really friendly environment and
Because learning is not enough.
yes sir.
It should be implemented. So do you think that there is a platform where you can implement as well? You are having that sort of environment where you can just be more vocal.
Yes sir, this is the environment. Your environment is very good, if I say. Because in every week, Wasim sir organize activity for us. Many fun activities which helps us to build our confidence and motivate us.
If you if you're gonna meet the CM of Bihar, for students, what you will ask for?
For students
Yes.
from CM, I ask for affordable study cost. Means they give education in affordable price for all students. Because in if I tell about Bihar, here is education but too costly, and here is education not in.
And private institutions, schools, they are asking for big amount. So there should be a guideline from government so that they can ask.
Yes,
And
sir,
just
there must be a like MSP and many other things for students in private schools.
anyways, so he was just keeping his views in front of our camera, and it might be the first experience of Mr. Rehan that he has been the part of podcast, and truly speaking that he's not nervous at all. He answered all the question and he tried his best, and being a podcaster, I'm really proud of him, and I'm really proud of that I'm associated with this institution where a student like Rehan is learning English. Anyway, thank you so much for being the part of our podcast. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.